Hi, and welcome back to Finding Your Disney. My family are Disney Vacation Club members, and as DVC members, there are annual dues to pay. One of my favorite ways to save money on our Disney trips and dues is to purchase discounted Disney gift cards. For example, Target Red Card might sell them for 5% off face value, and there are other limited promotions at some other vendors like Sam's Club and Costco that may save you as much as 10% off the face value, but you can only purchase them in limited quantities, like, maybe you can only buy one $200 gift card for $180. So I suggest that you keep watch for these promotions throughout the year and purchase them for your DVC, dues, or a Disney trip. Each year, Disney Vacation Club sends a notification regarding their annual dues deadline. But this year I also saw a notification for 2025 autopay guidelines. The autopay guidelines state you cannot be registered for autopay and pay with a gift card. The notice states, while you're enrolled in autopay for annual dues, Disney gift cards and Disney Rewards redemption cards are not acceptable forms of payment per our terms and conditions. To make a payment with a gift card or rewards card, please first unenroll by selecting My Annual Dues, Manage Autopay, and then cancel your autopay. After making your payment, please re-enroll in autopay by February 14 for any remaining balance due. If you're not re-enrolled in autopay by February 14, any outstanding annual dues balance will be considered past due on February 15, subject to late fees and interest, and due in full. If you removed autopay to pay in full, please remember to re-enroll if you want to continue with automatic payments for future years. So due to this slight change, I thought I'd do a short video to illustrate how to pay your DVC dues balance using gift cards with this new requirement to be out of autopay to make sure you're not enrolled into autopay. So the first thing you do is you log into your Disney Vacation Club member portal. And once you're logged in, you hover over My DVC and go to My Annual Dues. And this is the section, the button that they tell you to go into to cancel autopay or unenroll in autopay is under the Schedule Automatic Dues Payment, Manage Autopay. So once you've turned that off, because I had turned that off, you come over to the membership dues balance and you click Pay Balance. And just a reminder that if your dues are more than $1,000, which you can see ours is over $1,000, you can consolidate your gift cards, but the maximum amount you can have on a Disney gift card is $1,000. So that would mean that you'd have to, you'd need more than one gift card to pay your balance off. So if your dues are under $1,000, you can click Pay Balance. But if it's over $1,000, you have to click Pay by Contract. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the contract that still has a balance due. And you can click Pay Balance here on just that contract. And then click New Card in the payment method. And you're going to choose Disney Gift Card. And then you'll type in the account and the EAN number that is on the back of the gift card. And click Apply. And then you're going to click You've read your terms and conditions, and you're going to click Submit Payment. And then it will pay that contract's dues. So you just keep repeating that process until you have a balance that is zero. So just as far as the notification, they also said after making all your payments, they suggest that you re-enroll in autopay by February 14 so that any remaining balance is paid via the autopay process. And also that way you can just have it turned on in case you want to use that for future years. So I hope you find this video helpful. and I'd appreciate you hitting that like button for the video. And in the new year, we'll be bringing you more informative content to help you plan your next successful Disney vacation. Thanks for watching.